Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to reassemble our front diff. I already cleaned the bearings. If you have any questions, you can click the link above for how to clean your bearings. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with putting in the front one, and then the inside one. Then we're going to slide our pinion in. And then we're going to put in our front diff. Make sure it all adds up like that. Alright, I had it on the wrong side, but as you can see. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of red and tacky. Just put it a little bit on the gears right here so you don't have that metal to metal friction. And just give it a couple turns. Alright, so it's nice and smooth. Alright, now we're going to slide in our front housing. Alright, now we're going to install our front shock tower. Go ahead and get these screws started. Then we'll be right back.